Start with a foundation chain of desired length. Work a row of regular half double crochet stitches across the chain. Yarn over from back to front. Insert hook from front to back between the posts of the first 2 half double crochet stitches from the previous row. Insert hook from back to front between the posts of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on hook. Yarn over again. Pull through all 3 loops on the hook to complete the front post half double crochet. Next, continue the demonstration.